Hi, Dr. Pete here, and welcome to How to Replace Your Income in 90 Days, even if you are a complete beginner. You need to drop everything now and pay attention if you want to create a life-changing six-figure income from scratch in as little as 90 days. If you would like to drop your 9 to 5 job and work on your terms from anywhere in the world without worrying about not being paid next month, then I've got great news for you. How much better will your life be knowing beyond a shadow of a doubt that your financial future and that of your loved ones is secure? If you are struggling, as many are, with job and income insecurity that the current world situation is causing, if you are worrying about how the future will work out and how you can provide for yourself and your family, and if you are wondering why it is that less intelligent people than yourself have succeeded with securing their financial future while you've struggled year after year, then read and listen on. I promise in the next few minutes, I will reveal the system that takes you from a complete beginner to being able to replace your income and ditch uncertainty. So why on earth would you listen to me? My name is Dr. Pete Murray, and I have replaced my dentist income with my online business. I'm not a guru, and I don't get on stages all over the world spouting theories on how to make money online. I have actually done it, and you can also. I will give you the exact system I use to replace my income. Now, you're probably wondering, why would I share this? I have spent, and in some cases wasted, a lot of money and time on getting to where I am. I tried many different ways to make money online with varying degrees of success, but fell into the shiny object syndrome when I was buying loads of the next best hack or software that promised the world, but just ended up wasting huge amounts of money and, more importantly, time. Have a look at just a small selection of the many shiny objects that I am embarrassed to say I bought and wasted my time on. It took a long time, but I eventually found a reliable way to make money online. But you don't have to go through what I did. Since I hit the sweet spot, I haven't looked back, and my system is now available for you. Given what is going on in the world, I'm aware that a lot of people, including you, are looking for a solution that will take away the financial worries you are experiencing. I remember being in your situation when nothing worked and I was throwing money away left, right, and centre trying to find a solution to being profitable online. If I can remove the expense of trial and error and hand you my system on a silver platter, then I am happy and indeed feel socially obligated to do so. It's my way of giving back. You can follow the exact same method I did. I put everything you need to know how to make a living online and even replace your own income in Income Replacement Academy. Now, Income Replacement Academy gets you so much more than just money. You can drop your 9 to 5. Don't be a slave to the alarm clock. You decide when you want to get up and how you want to live your day. Be your own boss. It gives you financial security. Imagine not having to check if you have enough funds to afford the groceries or a meal out with the family. Get financial freedom at last. You can take exotic holidays. How would it feel to take holidays wherever and whenever you wanted? This will be your reality and not just a daydream. Why not get a new car? How great will it feel to head to any car dealership you want to pick up the car you have always wanted? Mercedes, Lexus, BMW, take your choice. Income Replacement Academy will give you all of this and much, much more. You can replace and increase your monthly income, take financial pressure away, provide for your family without worry, and drop your 9 to 5 job and work on your terms. Now, who is this for? If you're ambitious, want to improve your current situation, are willing to take on a new challenge, and can follow instructions, then this is for you. And who is this not for? If you are lazy, scared of change, and think the world owes you a living, then this is not for you, and you should leave this page now. Please be aware that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme and will require you to put some work in to get results, but if you apply the lessons you'll be given, it will be life-changing. I've bought many courses for thousands of dollars from big-time gurus, all promising the earth. Each of them gave a little bit, but none as much as this course. This is the same course that took me from aspiring internet marketer to more than replacing a very good income. I still do some dentistry, but on my terms. I do advanced implant dentistry because it interests me and benefits my patients hugely. Imagine you being able to do the same in your job. What if you decided when you got up and when you wanted to work? If you want to play with your children, spend quality time with your partner, or have a round of golf or take time out for any activity, then why not? You will be the boss. And, most of all, you will take away the constant financial stress that exists month to month for many people. Now, you may be asking yourself if you will be able to do this. Can you cope with techie stuff? The great news is that the course is easy to follow, short and punchy videos with no fluff. Each video takes you through exactly what you need to know and how to do it. Income Replacement Academy normally sells for $497 every day and is worth much, much more. But because of the current world situation, I want to make this available to everyone who needs it. Today, you can get Income Replacement Academy for an amazing price of just $97. And as an extra special bonus, you can claim 2 fantastic gifts with your order. Because you're a first-time customer, when you join Income Replacement Academy today, we'll throw in these high-value additional bonuses at no extra charge. Sales Video Formula. This has a value of $49, and in it will be revealed the 9 profit pillars that online businesses use to make big bucks every day. You'll also get Payday Formula, which has a value of $97. Finally, a proven system for selling $500 to $3,000+ products online that anyone can copy. Here's a summary of what you'll get when you buy Income Replacement Academy today. A 30-video step-by-step guide to your internet marketing success, which has a value of $497. 9 profit pillars with a value of $49. Payday Formula, $97 value. You will learn the 3 major mistakes newbie marketers make and how to avoid them. Value, priceless. Plus much, much more. That's a total value of $643. You can get Income Replacement Academy today for just $97. There is a catch, however. I have a limit of 250 copies at this price before I have to close this down. You'll need to be quick to take advantage of this offer and the bonuses, as this has gone out to my full list and will sell out quickly. If you can see the Enroll Now button below, then copies are still available at this heavily discounted price. If you can see it, click it. Just click on the button below this video or scroll to the bottom of the page, fill in your name, email and phone number, and choose one of the payment methods. Then click Place Order Now and you'll be taken to your download page where you can access your course and bonuses. Click on Enroll Now. It's time for you to take action to protect your family and your income.